Palakkad, often referred to as the granary of Kerala, is renowned for its lush greenery and scenic landscapes. Located in the state of Kerala, India, Palakkad is characterized by its fertile plains, dense forests, and rolling hills. The district is blessed with a tropical climate, abundant rainfall, and rich biodiversity, contributing to its verdant environment. The Palakkad Gap, a low mountain pass in the western Ghats, serves as a gateway between Kerala and the neighboring state of Tamil Nadu. This geographical feature facilitates the flow of winds, enhancing the region's greenery and making it conducive to agriculture. Palakkad is known for its extensive paddy fields, coconut groves, and diverse flora. The Chinakkathur temple is situated in the village of Palappuram, which is located near Ottapalam in Palakkad district, Kerala, India. It's approximately 5 kilometers away from Ottapalam town. The temple is situated amidst serene surroundings, with lush greenery and coconut groves adding to its charm. The Chinakkathur temple, located in Palakkad district, Kerala, India, is a revered Hindu temple dedicated to goddess Bhagavathi, also known as Chinakkathur Bhagavathi. This temple holds great significance for devotees, especially during the annual Chinakkathur Puram festival, which is one of the most famous temple festivals in Kerala. The Chinakkathur Puram festival is celebrated with much grandeur and fervor, usually in the month of March or April. It is known for its spectacular display of traditional percussion music, including the majestic Pachavadyam, a classical temple orchestra comprising 5 different instruments, and Tayambaka, a form of solo chind performance. Elephants, adorned with colorful decorations, also form a significant part of the procession during the festival. The festival is not just a religious event but also a celebration of Kerala's rich cultural heritage. Apart from the Puram festival, the Chinakkathur temple attracts visitors throughout the year who come to pay their respects to the deity and experience the tranquil ambience of the temple premises. The temple's architecture, rituals, and legends associated with it contribute to its allure as a sacred site in Palakkad district. The Chinakkathur temple features a serene pond within its premises, enhances the aesthetic beauty of the temple complex, providing a picturesque setting for devotees and visitors. Killikkurussimangalam, also known as Lakkidi, is a village around 8 kilometers from nearby town Ottapalam in Palakkad district of Kerala, South India. The river Neela, Bharathapuja, flows through the southern border of Lakkidi. The village got its name from the famous Lord Shiva temple, Sri Killikkurussi Mahadeva Kshetram, situated in the village. The temple is very old and legends say it has been founded by the sage Sri Shuka Brahmarishi. The village is the birthplace of famous Malayalam satire poet and founder of the Ottam Thullal art form, Kunchan Nambiyar, Rama Panivada. Kunchan Nambiyar was a prominent Malayalam poet of the 18th century, 1705 to 1770. Apart from being a prolific poet, Nambiyar is also famous as the originator of the dance art form of Thullal. Most of his works were written for use in Thullal performances. Social criticism wrapped in humor is the hallmark of his works. The word Thullal means dance and jumping, but under this name Nambiyar developed a new style of verse narration, interspersed with occasional background music and dance-like swaying movements. The house where Kunchan Nambiyar was born, Kalakkathu Bhavanam, is now a cultural centre, undertaken by Department of Culture of Kerala State Government. The poet's house in Killikkurussimangalam was renovated and preserved as a memorial, Kunchan Smarkam. On the 5th day of May, the birthday of the poet is celebrated with much fanfare as Kunchan Dinam. A check dam is a small, sometimes temporary dam constructed across a swale, drainage ditch, or waterway to counteract erosion by reducing water flow velocity. Check dam Thottumukku, located at Pampadi Perangottukurishi Road near Ottapalam, Kerala. The check dam at Thottumukku is a small dam that reduces water flow and prevents soil erosion. It provides water for irrigation, drinking, and livestock while preserving fertile soil and improving local water quality. The check dam plays a crucial role in sustaining the local ecosystem and is a valuable asset for the community.